Hello friends, welcome to the massive open online course on numerical methods under SWAYAM run by MHRD of India. This course on numerical methods is a basic course in mathematics which explores some basic concepts of numerical methods in solving various equations. In mathematical applications, there are several instances in which no direct methods are available for solving higher degree algebraic equations or equations containing transcendental functions such as circular function, logarithmic function or exponential function. Such equations are solved by numerical methods. The simultaneous linear algebraic equations occur quite often in various fields of engineering and science. Generally, the matrix inversion method or Cramer's rule have been using to solve these equations. But these methods become very difficult when the system consists a large number of unknown variables. In such cases, numerical techniques can be adapted to find the solutions. If the values of a function f of x are given for some finite values of x, then using the interpolation we can find the numerical value of f of x for any other value of x in the given interval. We are familiar with various analytical methods in order to solve many ordinary differential equations. In physical problems, there are large number of ordinary differential equations which cannot be solved by analytical methods. In these cases, numerical solutions can be computed using various numerical methods. We will begin the course with the methods of finding solutions of algebraic and transcendental equations using bisection method, Regula-Fulci method, fixed point iteration method, Newton-Raphson method and Horner's method. The direct and indirected methods of solving linear system of algebraic equations will be discussed in this course, which include Gauss elimination method, Gauss-Jordan method, factorization method, Gauss-Jacobi iteration method and Gauss-Seidel iteration method. This course also covers interpolation of equal and unequal intervals, numerical differentiation and numerical integration. Towards the end, the method of finding numerical solution of first order ordinary differential equations will be discussed. After the successful completion of this course, the learner would be familiarized with the way of solving complicated mathematical problems numerically using the appropriate numerical technique. This course will help students who are doing an undergraduate course in science and engineering of various universities for their systematic study of numerical techniques. This is a 12-week course comprising 40 modules, each having 30 minutes lectures and assignments. At the end of the course, a test will be conducted under the above mentioned topics. I am Mansoor P, working as an assistant professor of mathematics at MES College of Engineering, Kuttipuram, an affiliated college to APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University, Kerala. It's my immense pleasure to invite you to this course, and I am looking forward to interact with you throughout the course. Thank you.